Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Guys, we are going to Delaware today. We're going to see what we're going to get into with wind conditions, a little bit of rain. I'm thinking dirty water from the last couple of days. Or let me rewind. I'm sorry, not dirty water, stained water. And this might make things a little bit difficult for fishing, but hey, that's part of the elements, some of the conditions that we got to go through, and let's see what happens. And guys, as you can see, you're probably thinking, why am I wearing my mask right now? I'm just showing you that, hey, we got to all do our part with this COVID. It's just getting worse again, and you know, if all of us do our part, wear our masks, keep social distancing, I think we'll be okay. But let's do our part and do what we can, and hopefully you like this video, and stay tuned at the end is where I'm gonna tell you some of the details about that subscriber giveaway, and I'm gonna even already reveal the prize. It's gonna be a brand new in the box, a Shimano Stratic CI4 4000 series, and I'll tell you the details. You guys just, you know, watch the video, wait till the end, or just go ahead and forward over to the end if you want to. I don't blame you one bit. So go ahead and do that. But once again, just in all seriousness about this COVID, let's do our part, guys, and do what we can. And just be safe out there. Fishing, going out, spending time with your friends and family or whatsoever. And just keep, you know, those safe protocols, and just do what you can. And then, you know, definitely be safe. Until further ado, let's go, guys. Hey guys, let me show you what bait we're using today. During the fall, you need to make sure you have all the baits, because sometimes you just don't know what the dogs are going to be eating, so make sure to get everything that you need, okay? So I always bring, of course, the sand fleas. Definitely can't forget about the green crabs. And another bait that's pretty good as well is shrimp as well too. They'll eat this. So sometimes you just don't know what they're gonna eat. So make sure to always prepare to bring all the baits, because you just never know, and you might just get that keeper that day. So just kind of another tip: always bring enough bait, and make sure to bring the baits that they might eat. Just can never get away from these. Here, you can. I don't know why, but it's all good. It's too small. First one, a little small. First one out of the way. Sand fleet, return back though. Huh? No, man. Sometimes it can be, man. It definitely can. It's just a patience game, though. Oh, is that right? All right, here we go. Guys, check this out. John Kim special hog jig, the best. Okay, here we go, guys. Might be a keeper. Actually, I think it might be a keeper. Let's see. That's a keeper, guys. Young, I think too small. Chago? Too small. Let's see. Too small, I think. Yep. Just at 15, too small. I've got to release back. There we go. So guys, these are some of the hardest fighting fishes, man. Oh my goodness. But this one's too small, so I've got to return it back. Close?
Maybe 15.
15?
It's pretty good size.
Yeah, close, close.
Look at the hook. Look at the hook. It's a perfect fit.
Good hook set, yo.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Nice job, yo. It's close.
Sweet.
Yeah. Close, but I think throwback, you think? Yeah. Close. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video, and here it is, what everybody's been waiting for, the subscriber giveaway. Guys, it's so simple, easy, and we're gonna do more of this down the road as well too, and just stay tuned. But definitely, this is what you have to do. This is the prize: a brand new Shimano Stratic CI4 spinning reel. And 4,000 series, excuse me. And this is, I haven't even opened this up yet. But let me guys show you. This is the prize, okay? It's the giveaway. This reel, good gosh, guys, is awesome. Look at it, it's brand new. It's got all the, still the, you know, tags and everything, sticker. And this is a powerhouse reel. It's light, it's strong, and this is my go-to reel when I fish flounders, jig for flounders as well, using a spinning setup inshore and offshore as well too. So everything's in here, guys. And once again, just want to show this is a new box. I haven't touched this or anything. It's got the new tags and everything, and yeah, I mean, like, it's got everything in here, guys. So that's the proof. And I know now you guys are waiting for me to tell you the details. So this is what you have to do. Any anyone that's not subscribed, all you're gonna have to do is subscribe to my channel, and below on this video, the comments, all you have to put down is me, M-E, okay? So 2 steps: subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below on this video in the comment section, M-E. For the subscribers that already are subscribed, thank you in advance, and I appreciate it. Much love. All you have to comment down is M-E. That's all you got to do. Pretty simple. So anyone that's not subscribed, 2-step process: subscribe, comment below on this video, M-E, and the subscribers that are subscribed, obviously, just all you have to do is comment M-E. So that's all we have to do. I will pick a winner around Christmas time, so that'll give enough time for any newcomer, new subscribers, and current subscribers. So I'll do it after December the 25th, and I will announce the winner, obviously. I will make a decision with different methods, you know, to choose. But we're gonna do more of this, guys. And you know, I have a lot of reels still in the packages that I want to give away because you know, I don't need them. And you know, obviously I would love to give it to someone, you know, in the fishing community. And you subscribers, you know, you guys like my channels, that's why you guys are subscribing. So I want to do something for you guys. So stay tuned. But that's what it is. That's all you have to do. And then I will once again announce the winner after December 25th, after Christmas. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Be safe out there, and hey, keep fishing and do what you gotta do. Okay. Peace.